There's no such thing as a neutral education. All education is discipleship, and we need to understand that it could be good discipleship and it can be bad discipleship. When we have our children at home, we are discipling, and it's such a privilege, like I said, and a responsibility to help our children to see everything from God's point of view.
I want to keep going through our list here because number 2 is another favorite. See, I told you I'm going to say this the whole time because this is how I articulate why we homeschool. And that is education is discipleship. So how do Christian parents shift their mindset from teaching school subjects and kind of thinking about curriculum and what we need to get done to discipling the heart of our children?
Well, a lot of people say this. It's not my own quote, education is discipleship. But the question we need to ask ourselves is, what are we doing here? I know that sounds like such a generic question, but we're shaping people. And it kind of goes back to the first point that we're supposed to be a family and not a school, but it goes even deeper because we generally think about school subjects, for homeschooling. What are all the subjects I need to teach and how am I going to do that? But every child in every school is being discipled in some way. And the question we need to ask is, who is discipling our children and in what? And so at home, we have the enormous responsibility, but also privilege to disciple them in everything that God has taught us in His Word. And so everything we teach our kids can come from that foundation, that biblical worldview. And so people might often say, well, public schools are neutral. Maybe if you want a specific religious curriculum, you go to a private school. There's no such thing as a neutral education. And so all education is discipleship. And we need to understand that it could be good discipleship and it can be bad discipleship. So when we have our children at home, we are discipling, and it's such a privilege, like I said, and a responsibility to help our children to see everything from God's point of view, whether it's, the world that He created, or when your teenagers get into understanding government and politics and just the culture around them. When you go to the grocery store nowadays, you need to be equipped for worldview thinking. And so when we have this time at home with our kids that we wouldn't have if they were in public school, we get this enormous privilege to disciple them every single day with every single topic that comes up, conversations, school books, whatever the opportunity is, we are discipling, and we should take it very seriously.
That is so important because I think people can so easily forget about that. And I remember sitting in, it was actually one of the first conference I ever went to, and I sat there. And I remember just being blown away because this one person was talking about her son was melting down during a math, dilemma. Like he was stuck and he was just so frustrated. And she goes, that was the moment that we stopped teaching math and I started working on his heart. And I was like, whoa.
Yeah.
So it was like a not even first time starting off homeschool mom. I was blown away because I was like, okay, I get it. But it helped me to start thinking about these are character building moments. These are worldview moments. These are, there's a bigger picture here. So it's so important.
And a lot of times it's not on the lesson plan. It's a rabbit trail, or like you said, it might be closing the book and going off into a whole different direction, or not even having a lesson that day. But like you said, lessons and character building and shaping their heart. There's so much more to all of this than just the school books. And the school books are my favorite part. So don't get me wrong, but understanding that there's so much more to it is very important.
Oh, it's so important. Yeah, because I find when our homeschool gets hijacked by life, we've had emergencies, surprise visitors and things like that. Those are often the moments where they get to see us pouring into others, or, whatever the dynamic is. But that's when it starts getting into that discipleship moment. And it's happening because our homeschool is a lifestyle. So I love that.
Homeschool Insights is brought to you by Apologia, BJU Press Homeschool, and CTC Math. Visit the show notes to learn more about these excellent homeschooling resources. And for more encouragement, listen to the Schoolhouse Rocked podcast at schoolhouserocked.com.